afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing.
Okay guys, because my setup isn't gonna be what I want it to be. I'm using the scrub now. I just used Cetaphil to wash my face, so if you don't mind the camera being in there, I'm using the scrub. I like how gentle the scrub is. I'm actually gonna put a voiceover, so cue to voiceover. Hey guys, it's Bicana from the voiceover. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that I chose the face cream and the face scrub. Make sure you go over to the website, which is very user friendly. Just watch this demo that I have. I chose the face cream and I also chose my skin type. You can also hover over each individual products in case you wanted to learn more about what they would offer to your skin. I chose my products because I wanted it to help with some dark pigmentation that I have going on. So the face scrub working with the face cream would be perfect for my specific skin. I do have a discount code, which is Bicana, so make sure you use that when you are checking out. It would mean the most to me. I would never lie to you guys about any of these products, so you have my go ahead to try it, and I really do hope it works for you. Here I am again, just messing around. So like I was saying, make sure you go down to the description box to check out the links that I have for Mixeasy and to check out my discount code, which is 15% off. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Alright guys, so I usually take this time to get ready for breakfast and wash up the plates that I used late last night. I'm gonna wash my wine glass first. I let that bowl catch some water because it has some ice cream in it. So I don't know what I want for breakfast, to be honest. I think I'm just gonna do eggs. I'm gonna do oats. I'm gonna do some oats because I said I was gonna do that. So it's gonna be a really quick breakfast. I won't be on the stove. Let me get these spoons and forks washed. I was using this spoon. I was using both spoons for my ice cream. And the fork is what I was using to eat dinner. Not that y'all asked or anything. Let me get these rinsed off. Normally when I'm washing the dishes, I wash everything at one time, rinse everything at one time, but it's really not that much stuff. So, it's really not that much stuff. Let's get the ice cream washed out.
Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me.
Okay, so when it comes to this, I'm gonna use Quaker. I'm gonna use these two. This is cinnamon and spice, and this is apples and cinnamon. So what I'll do is I'll put the bags together. I shake them just to get everything at the bottom. And I literally open it together. And then I spin them around so it mixes. This is what I do. Hold on. Yeah, this cinnamon one is done. This one is stuck. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yeah. There we go. Smells so good. And then go in the fridge and I get a little bit of this, because this is already sweet, but it's bland. Normally I would use milk, but I have almond milk, and I don't want to use my almond milk in this. I'm just going to do a little bit. I should have grabbed a spoon. Well, I already grabbed them some bananas, and they look so ugly because they're overripe, so I want to make sure I use them. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash them, cut off like really old pieces, wait for the water to boil up, then I'll be right back.
Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me.
Put too much water in there, but it's gonna swell. I'm literally gonna drop. Gonna put my. There we go. These are overripe, but that means they're gonna be really sweet. So while I eat breakfast, normally in bath. I got my coach here, guys. Oh, that's that on that. But I also edit some of my videos. This is a video you will, I don't know, you would have seen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a little different. It's a design video, which are one of my favorites to do. So
okay guys, I didn't get to show you the face cream properly. But this is what I use to moisturize my face. I really like it. It doesn't have a smell because I choose to go fragrance free. So what you do is take the top off and pump it. You really don't need that much. But yeah, and then I'm gonna come into the frame so you can see. What I do is I like to put things in my T-zone. It's not really, but you know. Make sure you go down in the description box and check out the links that I have available regarding Mixeasy. I also want to bring it down to your neck. And have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. What is your morning routine like? What kind of face products, skincare products do you like to use? Please let me know by leaving a comment down below.